Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do a small Amazon haul order. Review of a small order of an item I've been wanting forever. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So I've seen other diamond painters, kit up videos and all of that, and I've always seen them have this wonderful little storage unit. I had no idea what it was called, so I'd always see it every now and then, and I thought, that is really interesting. I love that it's like a little binder type of style. So I figured, I wonder if I can find it. So I kept searching and I couldn't find any information about it till I saw a diamond painter that she was doing a de-kitting, and she kept calling, oh, let me get my craft mates. I was like, craft mates? And that's when I saw this little item. It didn't have, any of the calling it the lockables or anything. It just says on top craft mates, and she would get it and open it and did her de-kit. That's when I found out that is what it's called. So I was like, yay. So I was real excited that I was able to research it, and Amazon sold it, so put it in my cart. I have Prime, got it 2 days later. Now I can finally own one, and I am so excited to try this storage unit because I love storage, and if y'all are returning viewers, you know me and my storage. And so it's pretty much a little binder. And let me put this aside real quick. And it's the same. It makes me think of the way we handle Elizabeth Ward storage trays. It is not just for diamond painting. It's for everything. It even says here, it's for beads and buttons and everything you can think of. But of course, as diamond painters, if we see storage unit we like, we're going to try it. So it has kind of little clasp, which I really am a fan of. As I said, I really love how you can lock it down. And inside it has all of the little trays that there are 56, I believe. I always forget to count them. So I think I'm going to have to tear off this little cover on it. And I kind of didn't want to. I don't know. I'm really odd about cutting it off, but let me remove it. I should have got scissors. Oh no, I was able to cut it off. See how it says craft mates? So the diamond painter always kept calling it, oh, let me get my craft mates, let me get my craft mates. And because I would always see the name here, and that's when I finally looked it up. Oh, that's what it's called. I thought you would nickname it craft mates. So I actually paid attention. Oh, that's the actual name of the item, and that's how I was able to locate it on Amazon. So the little cover slip kind of has instructions on how the little boxes work and what kind of items you can use to store in there. You can store pretty much any small item. You can store makeup, anything you want. Just to let you all know, this isn't the product review because sometimes I feel like I sound like one. It's not. I purchased with my own money because I really want to try this storage unit out. And it kind of explains. That's the neato thing about it. It's all of I believe it's a long plastic bar that holds the little covers locked. So whenever you're going to get one color, you just, remove the bar, open what color you're going to use, close it again, and you're secure. I've seen how it works, so that's why I was real interested on what it is. I believe it's 56 little boxes. I believe. It's 7 in each row. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there are 4 rows on both sides, which I think it's a lot. So you would just slide out. At first I thought it was plastic wrap. No, the little covering of where it holds all the boxes is a little plastic covering. Let me see if I can lift it up a bit because I kind of don't want to tear it. It's here in this section here. It's kind of like a really strong, tough plastic that's kind of clear, so you can be able to see everything that's in the box. So you just pull it out. As you can see, oh goodness, these really large boxes. I really love this little storage unit. So all you really do, I believe, is either push it or pull it. I'm not too sure. You push it. Oh, you push it. So as you can see, I was able to open it, use what I'm going to use, and the rest are still locked. Oh, that is so neat. I really love that. And once you're done, you can just close it back, and there you go. It's still secure. As I said, I've seen these used, so I really wanted to try it. And that's it. That is pretty much it. And each little tray does the same thing. So if it's not this one, for example, you can see the next one. Let's say I had a color here. I'll just press the little button on the side, as you can see it. You can press it, flip it open, and there you go. Use whatever you're going to use and all of that. And the same thing, if you're going to decant, just do the same thing. Open it, pour everything out, and myself, I save all my diamonds. Works out for that. And that's it. Oh my goodness. So I'm planning to move diamonds from a current square painting I'm working on. It's my Yarn Crafter's Delight. Oh, that poor painting of mine. It is so old. It's one of my first squares. So I'm going to move them all here because I have those diamonds in Elizabeth Ward tray. But since I'm always moving around of where I work in my home, I find the little Elizabeth Ward tray to be a little bit cumbersome moving it around. So I'm going to try to use it here in this storage unit, which I think will be really useful for me. So it'll be real easy. Same thing, you just close it. I love how it's a little binder. Oh, I gotta cut that. I believe they had them hanging before. And you just clasp it. I'm kind of trying not to press real hard because I'm so scared I'm gonna break the little button or something, because I have that kind of luck. So, ooh, it is really tough. It really wants to make sure. Oh my goodness, it's really close. Hold on, give me one moment. Whoop. Having a bit of technical difficulty with this. And it's been a while, I'll be honest. It's been a while since I've had to close one of these little clasp things. It's alright, I'll leave it like that. I think I might have pulled it too hard, and I think I'll just have to fix it later. But it'll still close without issue. And even with one, it's still sturdy. And it does lock really securely. I love at the side, you can put here in the label which painting or whatever items you have here in the little storage thing. I'm only going to use this for diamond painting, so I don't need to mark what it is. But I just love that they put that little insert, because as I said, it's, ooh, sorry, I kind of moved it so that's why everything fell out. You can't put it as a binder and just have it in your, bookcase and you're good to go. I'm a big fan of that. I'm going to fix that little clasp because I think I might have pulled it too hard when I opened it. But it shouldn't have any issue. It's just, as I said, it's been a while since I've had to close one of these little, oh, there you go, little button things. And this really helps because it keeps everything from slipping out. That's when you saw me move and everything was getting out. It's because I hadn't pressed this yet. I have to practice closing these things. And that's it. This is what I really, really wanted to get and really show. But of course, excuse me, you cannot do an Amazon order without getting a diamond painting, y'all. Not for me. So, and these were also discounted as well. Oh, give me a moment. Sorry about that. There's a car that was racing kind of loudly, so that's why I muted it real quick. So, there's a lot of their diamond paintings on Amazon, and I've probably said in my last Amazon review, well, not review, Amazon haul unboxing, they've discounted a lot of the diamond paintings really, really affordable prices. So this painting as well, when I saw it, and I fell in love because I love the color of it and I love how clear it is and all of that. So I had to pick it up. I'm a big fan of it. And same thing, it is folded, which to me it's not an issue at all, but it does cause a little crease in the middle. So I do recommend it if you do want to, work on it. Kind of, let's say a week from now, just keep it laying down anywhere. Myself, I have them in a portfolio because my portfolio holds these sizes, so it's not an issue. But you can lay it down, put some heavy items, and it will take care of the crease because since the painting is folded, not an issue for me at all. So as you can see, there is your standard kit. They sometimes tape it just to make sure it doesn't get loose. And your diamonds. And the standard kit, this one's a little bit fancier, and I think it is the same company of the last painting I showed. It has the same items. It has the little tray, the wax, and 2 of your standard pens. This one's a little more fancier because it has resealable bags which you can use to store or start up your diamonds, your trusty little grip, and your 2 standard pens. They both have brass tips. And a couple of multi-placers. I believe it has, oh, it only has 2. It has a straightener. And it has, I believe it's 9, I believe. Ooh, I really like that. Yeah, it's only those 2. I thought there were more. I love this wax. It's really clear, so when you use it and it dries, you can't see it on the diamonds. I really love this little kit. I think it is the same company. I should have compared the names. And these are diamonds. Oh my goodness, the shine on these diamonds are so pretty. And I love the colors. These really dark blues, the light blues, and this nice orange, this lighter orange. Really love that. Ooh, big fan of it. And same thing in the back. There's some pinks and some yellows. And again, that really dark red. I really like that color. Ooh, and I love when they have the diamonds laid that way. They're all straight. Usually they're folded whenever they're in paintings, but I love when they're this way. Makes it so much easier when I'm going to start kitting them up. I can organize them and not worry about it. Big fan of that. And this is the painting. As I said, Rosie loves her flowers. So it's clear field in the middle with some flower bushes around it, and surrounding the painting are a bunch of roses, which I love. And it's not just because of the name, but it's because I love flowers that, rose ends up being one. And I love the moon. I love the really round, perfect little shape and the bright coloring of it. I really love the moon on this one. And on the back, there's little towers. I believe it might be homes. I really love that. The little rolling hills. That's the word I was looking for, rolling hills. That's what I was thinking. And it's such a pretty image. And I love all of the different colors of the roses. There's There's pink ones, a couple of oranges, light couple random yellow ones in the background. And I love the little random butterfly I just saw. I hadn't seen that before. I love that. This is such a pretty image. Ooh, it looks really, in person, it's really clear. I don't have any issues seeing any symbols on this painting. Oh, I really like this. And some information about the painting. It is WX7989 and is a 30 by 40 and is 27 colors. And the legend from the numbers 1 through 8 through numerical order, meaning 1 is 1, 2 is 2, and from 9 to 27, they are capitalized letters in order, meaning A, C, D, and so forth. A, C, D. Sorry, that makes me laugh every time I say that. And yeah, and I love they do that favorite thing I love. They put 2 legends on each side, one on the top left, one on the lower right, and a small thumbprint of the image if you ever want to refer to make sure, the color that you're placing down is correct and it's matching. That's what I use it for. Excuse me. And I just really love this painting. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. And it is. It's really clear. And the plastic on it is real sturdy. As you can see, it's kind of thick. It's not really flimsy. And the stick on it, lost a fingerprint, is really sticky. And as you can see, the drill field is really clear. Honestly, I'm a little surprised by it. You can see the dark coloring on the rose, and you can see a lighter coloring on, let's say, the dark blues here on this corner. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Ooh, I'm going to say that over and over. I really like this painting. And I believe it's all on the screen, but just in case it's not, I'll put a clear image here in the middle of the screen so you can see this wonderful image. If maybe a whole bunch of roses is your style as well. And yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. And all of this, I'll make sure to provide the information below if maybe any of these kind of items are your interest as well. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps the channel, and it really helps me put out information of all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do, roses and all. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.